What's going on, guys? Jake Teaser with the latest Mustang and automotive news. Today's video is about this 2018 budget twin turbo build. He spent about $5,000, including twin turbo kit and the fuel upgrade, and he built this dude in his garage. He actually used what was called, I believe it was CX Racing. You can actually get that over on, I don't think it's eBay. You can go directly to CX Racing, but essentially, this kit is super cheap. I'll put some links down in the description below if you want to check out CX Racing twin turbo kits for your Mustang. But he built this thing in his garage. It was under $5,000 for a twin turbo kit. And he just recently posted some videos of him at the strip. If you want to go check out the thread, it's at Mustang 6G. I'll post that link in the description below. But let's go over this thing. So he hand built this. He bought the kit. He had to do some custom modifications. And the cool thing is he's got a video of it finally up. And I just wanted to share it with you guys. So he painted it up. At the end of the video, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the drag strip pulls. I haven't even watched them myself yet, but I wanted to go through. If you guys didn't watch the other video, a lot of new subscribers, so I wanted to show you guys this build. So you would be in probably double the money if you went with a Hellion. If you went with the sleeper kit, it's about $6,500. But I believe he's running a different fuel system. So that's where the money difference is. He's checking out the weight of the headers. So let's see the money shot. This is the videos down at the end. You can see how he had to custom modify a lot of things. He did this all in his garage. So go check it out. And he's actually got a channel on YouTube I'll show you also. But those are the turbos underneath there. Everything looks pretty good. The only thing that I didn't like was the way that he had to run these. I believe it was the oil lines. It's either water or oil to the turbos. They kind of cross over funny under the oil pan. But other than that, it looks pretty cool. I'm curious to see how it runs. But let me show you these oil lines. I believe it was oil lines, either oil or water. Regardless, it looks like it's going to work out just fine, but a lot of custom work this guy did. I respect this guy's build, because this is a lot of you know, you have to know how to work with your hands to do this type of work and be very patient and have the right tools. So it's a lot of custom modifications. All right, let's just jump down to the end. I know you guys are tired of hearing me talk about it. So let's see what this thing does. I'm not sure if he's running quarter mile or if he's running eighth mile. I know that he posted saying that he got some eighth mile passes in, and it was actually running about 106 miles an hour, which is moving. So I believe the videos are right here. So here we go. This is eighth mile at 8 pounds of boost. 690s at 110 with a 179 60 foot. Is that right? 110? That's crazy fast. I remember when 100 miles an hour in the eighth was fast. All right, so let's check out these passes. Hear those wastegates open up. So 690 at 110, that's what that was. I don't know if this guy's in SoCal, the original poster, or if this is someone else posted. No, this is him. Maybe I'll get a chance to check this guy's car out in person and post it on the channel. That would be really cool. man. That looked like a handful. Yeah, I can't believe that was just the 8th mile right there. Anyways, that's 690 at 110. You can see it would have been faster if he didn't. It jumped a little bit on the 1-2 shift. It looks like the calibration is probably spinning the tires and stuff. So that's 8 psi at almost 111 miles an hour. So this thing is going to be moving. So I just want to show you guys that. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Also, if you want 10% off over at Lethal Performance, click the link in the description and go to the website and fill out the form there, and it will give you you'll be entered to win free swag from Lethal Performance, and then you'll also get that 10% discount code. All right, have a good one.